A very good morning, my dear students. So, children, how are you all? You all are fine? I think you all must be fine. So, today again I am back with you all, teach you moral science. So, I want to ask which lesson we all were doing? Yes, we all were in lesson number 7, and the name of the lesson is Anil and the Little Puppy. So today again I'll ask you take out page 30, lesson 7. Okay. So we have done till page 31. Okay, just some part of the lesson we have done, but and today we'll continue the same lesson again. But before that, let's do the revision of the part that we have already done. So children, this story is about a little boy and whose name was Anil. Anil, he was a loving and a kind boy. And he had many friends. Who had many friends, beta? Yes. Anil had many friends, and all of them in the evening they get together in the park to play. Do you all love playing? Do you have friends, children? Yes. You all want to you want to play together? Yes. So in the same manner, Anil also he had many friends, and in the evening they all get together in the park to play. Now one day, what happened? One day, Anil and his friends they were playing football. Suddenly, what happened? They heard the bark of a dog. What did they heard? Bark of a dog. The voice was very feeble. The voice was very weak. They all looked here and there to find out from where the voice came from. Now, suddenly, what happened? Anil's friend, one of Anil's friend pointed out towards the hedge and said, "See, it is a small pup. See, it is a." Now, children, do you know what is a pup? Yes, the young one of a dog. Young one of a dog. Do you love puppy? How many of you have dogs in your house? Yes, they look so good. They are faithful also, dog, na? Yes. Okay. Dog is a pet. Pet animal. Okay. Then what happened after that? Let's go there. So now the friends, all the friends they said, let's go to the hedge to see. All the friends they went there. Now the puppy got scared. The puppy got scared when puppy seen all of them standing together just near the puppy. He began moving inside the hedge. Who began moving inside the hedge? The little puppy. Sid, one of Anil's friend. Now who was Sid? Sid was one of Anil's friend, picked up a small stone to hit the puppy. To hit the puppy, Anil saw the stone in Sid's hand and said, "What are you doing, Sid? The puppy is already scared and hurt." So what is saying? That puppy is already hurt and scared and you are having stone in your hand. So Sid said, "I'm first trying to take him out of this hedge." So Anil, he said, "No, this is not the right way of doing." Okay, so till here we have studied, children. Now we will start what happened after this. So first, what will I do? I will read the whole thing for you that we'll do today, and after that the explanation part will go. So listen very carefully, okay? Now take out page 31. Okay, so this is page 31. Meanwhile, the gardener came. Everyone said, "Shoo this puppy away. He may bite somebody." Gardner got a long stick to shoo him away. The puppy came out of the hedges. He was badly wounded and crying in pain. All his friends started laughing. Anil felt bad. He could not bear the crying of little puppy. He decided to take the puppy home. He picked up the baby puppy. All his friends said, "What are you doing? Look, the puppy is so dirty. Keep him back. You may fall sick." Anil did not listen to anybody and took the puppy home. His mother was upset to see the puppy, but when he told the whole story, she felt proud of him. Anil asked his mother, "Mama, where will he sleep?" Mother thought and then went inside the storeroom. She bought an old basket and a blanket. She gave it to Anil and said, "Now you make a nice bed for your puppy." Anil was happy. He made the bed by spreading thick blanket in the basket. He laid the puppy in bed. He fed him some bread and milk. The puppy felt tired and slept. That night, when his father came, Anil narrated the whole story to him. He said, "Papa, the puppy is badly wounded. Will you please take him to the doctor tomorrow?" His father said, "Yes, I will surely take him." Next morning, Anil and his father went to the doctor. Anil got down from the car and said, "Papa, why have we come to a new doctor? Why didn't you take him to the doctor where we all go?" Anil's father smiled and said, "When animals are sick, they are treated by different doctors. They are called veterinarian." Anil said, "Papa, what?" Papa smiled and said, "It is difficult word for you. So you remember the short form vet." Okay. So today we will do it till here, and now come to the explanation part of this lesson. So with me again, come back to page 31. So have you all taken out page 31, children? Okay, should we start? Okay. Now what happened? Meanwhile the gardener came. Now all these boys, they assemble, they get together there where the puppy was in the hedge. So they all the friends of all the friends of Anil, all of them were there. So till then who came? The gardener came, and then everyone said to the gardener, "Shoo this puppy away." Means take this puppy away from here. because it may bite somebody. So why they are saying it to the gardener to take him show this puppy away? Because they say he may bite somebody. Now gardener got a long stick to shoo him away. Now what was gardener having, beta? Gardener was having a long stick in his hand to shoo this puppy away. The puppy come out of the hedges. Now who come out of the hedges? Puppy. He was badly wounded and crying in pain. So the poor puppy got, got wounded and was in pain. He was badly wounded and crying in pain. All his friends started laughing. Okay, so Anil other friend, what were they doing? They were laughing at the puppy because puppy was in pain and was wounded. Anil felt bad. He could not bear the crying of little puppy. So he decided to take the puppy home. So he felt very bad. Who felt bad? Anil felt because his friends are laughing. Puppy was in pain. So what he decided that he will take puppy to his home. He picked up the puppy. Now all his friends said, What are you doing? Look, the puppy is so dirty. So his friends they are saying, What are you doing, Anil? Just say this puppy is so dirty and you are picking this puppy up and you want to take it to your home. Don't do. Keep him back. You may fall sick. But Anil did not listen. Anil did not listen to anybody and took the puppy home. Now, who took the puppy home? Yes, it was Anil who took the puppy home. His mother was upset to see the puppy. So, when Anil's mother saw the puppy, she was very sad. But when he told the whole story, she felt proud of Anil. Okay, Anil asked his mother. So when Anil told told his mother every story, everything about the puppy, that how they got it, and so mother she felt very proud of Anil. And then Anil asked his mother, Mama, where will he sleep? Mother thought and then went inside the storeroom. She went inside the store room. She bought an old basket and a blanket. She gave it to Anil and said, Now you make a nice bed for your puppy. So what she did? Mother, she went inside storeroom and from there she bought what? And she brought an old basket and a blanket basket and blanket. Then she gave it to Anil and she says, now you take this and make a nice bed for your puppy. Anil was happy. Now Anil has blanket and basket to make a nice bed for his little puppy. He made the bed by spreading thick blanket in the basket. So what Anil did, he spread the blanket in the basket. He lay puppy in bed. Okay. He fed him some bread. Then what Anil did, he gave him some bread to eat. And bread with milk. So Anil gave this little puppy bread and milk. The puppy felt tired and slept. So after eating, puppy was already very tired. He went to sleep. That night when his father came, Now, when his father came that night, Anil narrated, he told the whole story to him. Then he said to his father, Papa, the puppy is badly wounded. Badly wounded. Will you please take him to the doctor tomorrow? He's just taking the permission from his father. Who? Anil. He's asking, Father, will you take him to the doctor tomorrow? You can see how much this little is wounded. Can you please? He's just requesting, and will you please take him to the doctor tomorrow? His father said, Yes, I will surely take him. So what he said? I will surely take him. Next morning, Anil and his father went to the doctor. Anil and his father, where he went? He went to the doctor. Anil got down from the car and said, Papa, why have we come to a new doctor? Why didn't you take him to the doctor where we all go? Okay, so now what happened now? Anil got down from the car, and Anil and his father, they went to the doctor. Then they got down from car. When they got down from car, so Anil says, Papa, why have we come to a new doctor? They've gone to the new doctor. So he says his father that Papa, why we have come to this doctor? Why not the one where we all go? So they all having some other family doctor na. So he's saying that why we have not come to our family doctor where we all go, and why to this new doctor? Anil father smiled, said, when animals are sick, they are treated by different doctors. So see children, for both animals is also having a doctor, and we people also having. When we get sick, we don't go to animals doctor. Okay, we are not animals, na children. So where do we go? We go to our own doctor, not the animal doctor. So now they have come to the right place. They have come to animals doctor, because who is sick? Yes, it is the animal puppy is sick. Okay. Anil's father smiled and said, when animals are sick, they are treated by different doctors. And now he's telling that they have come to animal doctor, and animals doctor are called veterinarian. Veterinarian. Now this word is bit difficult to pronounce, children. This word is bit difficult to pronounce. So what happened? Anil said, Papa, what? Papa smiled and said, it is difficult word for you to pronounce. So you remember the short form of it, and that is vet. That is vet. V-E-T, vet. Now what is a vet? Vet is a doctor who treats animal. So children, this is a difficult word. VETER, veterinarian, veterinarian. It's a big word. I told you now. Whenever you have a big word with you, you just break it. And then you pronounce. Okay, you won't find. You learn spelling also. This is how, and you learn how to pronounce. So VETER, veterinarian. So the father of Anil said, see, if you can't pronounce the right word, what you can do, you can use the short form of veterinarian doctor. It is vet. VET. And who is a vet? Vet is a doctor who treats animal. is a doctor who treats animals. So children, today we will going to do till here, and then tomorrow uh, not tomorrow, I'll say tomorrow is Sunday, but on Monday we all will be having Zoom classes, and in the Zoom classes we will going to repeat the same lesson. That is lesson number 7, Anil and the little puppy. Anil and the little puppy. I think you all have understood till here. Yes? Okay. So we have done till the doctor, veterinarian doctor. Now they have taken little puppy to this doctor, animal doctor, to treat little puppy. Now after this, now in Zoom classes we will see what happened after that. After reaching to veterinarian doctor, animal doctor, what happened after that. Hope you all have enjoyed the class, children. Okay, till then, goodbye, take care, and tomorrow, day after tomorrow again we will be meeting in our Zoom classes. So be good, be obedient, good children. Take care. Bye bye.